Hello guys, Lewis here. In today's video we're going to be replacing a new light switch which is over there. So if you don't have a proper bulb for it, you can just use one of these. So if you have a proper bulb, I recommend you use it, but this is good too. And if you're using this, first you need to remove your battery to have some space so you can use it. There you have all the place, and if you want to you can remove this, but you don't really have to. And just go over there. Good. And yes, you have to remove this shit. So I take off the intake valve and thing. So right now I have space to take it off, as you can see. And this should be easy. Come on. What the hell? There we go. Okay. Take it off. And take that off. And you can just do it with your hand right now. So take that off. Here's the old one. That's the old one. And that's the new one. That's the new one. So now let's check out the differences. Oh, this is new. So yeah, they're all the same. And now let's put this back. You can start it with your hands first. And then continue with this. Oh boy. Oh. God damn it. Oh no. Check it solid. Oh, okay, it's good now. Don't wanna. So now it's good. You know, put everything back in place. Just out. You wanna hear that sound clap? That sounds, then it's good. So here it is. A new light switcher. There you have it, guys. This is how you install a Vent switch. So I hope you guys enjoy and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.